A group of private companies has come together to help countries in the region in the event of disasters. The initiative is called the Corporate Citizen Foundation, and it was launched this evening by Deputy Prime Minister Tharman Shanmugaratnam. The private sector initiative is understood to be the first of its kind in the region. DPM Tharman said Singapore may be a small country, but it has strength and can contribute.
Excellencies, I think we have several. The launch of CCF today is, I think, a very useful signal, both for the players who are involved in it, as well as for other corporates in Singapore, to think hard about this, think about how they can use their assets for purposes other than their business, either within Singapore or in the region.
The Corporate Citizen Foundation has 5 members on board for now. They hope more will join in.
The idea of pooling together the resources and assets of private firms to help out during a crisis was mooted earlier this year by engineering firm HSL Constructor. It has pumped in 1 million Sing dollars to get the foundation off the ground. The foundation has the following companies on board: Thomson Medical, humanitarian supplies company Golden Season, HSL Constructor, ST Aerospace, and MediaCorp, which would send reporters to ground zero to give first-hand accounts. The foundation's aim isn't to provide relief items such as food or shelter. Instead, it wants to gather data.
The most important thing actually in a major disaster during the acute phase is actually the intelligence or intel, process information, early first-hand information that can go out so that responders like the NGOs or the international organizations can know or it's to make informed decisions as to what to bring in, how much to bring in, who are the people that they need to send in, so that we can avoid duplication of efforts.
And if there's a disaster, the foundation will get air traffic clearance to fly in its members. It will also be in touch with the official ASEAN body that deals with disasters, and that's the ASEAN Coordinating Center for Humanitarian Assistance on Disaster Management, as well as the country's coordinating agencies. In addition to activating response teams in times of disaster through what it terms the SEED platform, which stands for Swift Emergency Evaluation Deployment, the foundation's other main function is to help disadvantaged communities in the region outside of disaster situations. It will bring systems like this to these communities. This is the only known water filtration system that can churn out 1,200 liters of drinking water per hour, and that's 800 of such bottles. Now, this pail contains dirty water, and to produce clean drinking water, all I need to do is to step on this unit to pump water through this filter system. And in a matter of seconds, I'll have clean drinking water. And because this system has got carbon filters, the water does not have a foul smell.